In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste files in Google Drive efficiently and smoothly. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for managing your documents and other files, but mastering these simple yet essential functions can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's start by opening your Google Drive, which you can do from your web browser on any computer or device. Once you're in, navigate to the file that you want to manage. The file could be a document, a presentation, or even a folder containing multiple files. If you're looking for a specific item, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. To select the file, just click on it once. You'll notice that when selected, the file's background will change shade, indicating it's ready for the next action. If you're handling multiple files or folders, you can select them by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and clicking on each file or folder you want. This multi-select feature is useful for managing groups of files at a time. Once you've selected your file or files, the next step is to copy them. For this, you have two options. You can either right-click on the selected file or use the action buttons at the top. From the right-click menu or the action icons, choose Make a Copy. Google Drive will create a duplicate of your selected file in the same location. This is particularly handy if you want to keep an original version of a document while making changes to a new one. If your goal is to cut or move the file, you need the Move To option. Again, simply right-click on the file and select Move To, or use the folder icon at the top of the page. This will open a new window showing your drive's file structure. Navigate to the folder where you'd like to place the file. Once there, click on the blue Move button to relocate your file. Now let's talk about pasting, even though technically in Google Drive you don't perform a direct paste. Files are either duplicated via Make a Copy or relocated using Move To. However, understanding file location in Drive is crucial. You can always know which folder you're working in by checking the navigation breadcrumb at the top. This lets you track your steps back if you need to confirm the file's destination. In Google Drive, the strength lies in its flexibility and the power of the cloud. Your files are accessible anywhere, anytime. Remember to take full advantage of Drive's sharing features if you need your files to be available to others as well. With these tips, you should be navigating your Google Drive workspace with ease. Practicing these methods will make you more efficient and enhance your productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring and don't hesitate to experiment with Google Drive's features to make the most of this versatile tool.